Looking for the right vehicle? Check out
the 2022 ELANTRA. The ELANTRA boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the ELANTRA is an easy choice and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, speed control, electronic stability control, power sunroof, brake assist, traction control, rear window defroster. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Hyundai certified vehicles will provide you the confidence you desire in your next vehicle. All certified Hyundais come with a limited powertrain warranty, a comprehensive inspection, roadside assistance, and much more. Contact your Hyundai dealer today to learn more about the Hyundai certified program.